Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make burgers in Bloxburg. First, you'll need to set up your cooking station. Place a grill and a counter in your home. Then, head to the grocery store to buy your ingredients. You'll need burger patties, buns, and any toppings you like, such as cheese or lettuce. Remember to check your Bloxburg balance before shopping. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to start cooking. Approach your grill and click on it. You'll see an option to cook burger patties. Select this, and your character will place a patty on the grill. Keep an eye on it. The patty will change color when it's fully cooked and ready to be removed. This usually takes just a few moments. After your patty is perfectly cooked, pick it up from the grill. Now, move it to a nearby counter. Next, grab a burger bun from your inventory and add it to the patty. This forms the basic burger. Don't forget to customize it. You can add cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, or any other delicious toppings you purchase to make it uniquely yours. Congratulations, your Bloxburg burger is complete. Your character can now enjoy this tasty meal. If you're feeling entrepreneurial, you can also sell your culinary creations. Place your finished burgers on a display stand in your restaurant or shop. Other players can then purchase them, allowing you to earn some extra Bloxbucks for your hard work. Enjoy your delicious burgers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.